Hi guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is the Auto HQ and today we're going to be checking out this really cool app that helps you to clean up pictures. You can remove unwanted objects, defects and people, and if you click on use cases up over there you would see a sample. So we've got the bottle on the side, it's no more there, the vase is no more there. You can just clean the text on the bottle and you end up with just the bottle, right? And this is the pricing. So it's basically free, but if you want premium features you can pay pro for $3 or clip drop for $7 and for extra features basically. And for API is based on usage and frequently asked questions that are right over here. Refund policy, canceling your subscriptions, iOS or Android, and it's primarily available on iOS, but you can also use it on your Android phone. So let's try to use this app and see how that goes, but we're going to try with an example. So we'll use this jacket and we're just going to mess around with it a little bit. So where you see the green dots, that's the cleaner. Okay, so you just have to drag it around. You can zoom in and you can zoom out. So for starters, we're going to be cleaning out the zip, just the zip, and as you can see it's gone. So whenever you drag this green dot across any item, you just leave the cursor alone and it disappears. You don't have to click enter, you don't have to double click, nothing like that. It just disappears. Let's try to remove the top of the zipper too, and it's going to disappear too. And I like that it finishes so well. That is my thing. It finishes so well and so nice. So we're going to remove the hand now and it disappears, but you can see that there's a tiny little spot there where you can tell that something was there before. So we're just going to go and remove it again. And yeah, see how neat it looks. And you can see how clean it looks now. Let's try to download it. You can download it from the top right corner, and that's about it. So we're going to try with this other image. You can see that this one has a lot more items on it. The table is a bit busy, the wall is a bit busy, and you can zoom in and zoom out to decide what you want to take out. If you've not liked this video or subscribed yet, this is the right time to do so. Okay, so you can just click on whatever you want to remove. Once you drag on it a little bit, leave the cursor and it's going to remove it immediately. I think that this app is really easy to use, very smooth, really great discovery. It's not very clean sometimes, but as you can see with the other example, it was really clean when we removed the hand and it did not look like there was a hand there at all. So sometimes when you have problem with shadows, it might not help so much. So let's try to deal with that, the light cast, and you can see that it just changes the color to the entire rug. I think this is really cool AI. I don't know how they did this, but I'm very interested. This can help with pictures where you don't want people to know maybe your plate number or the price tag, if you've still got the tag on the dress you're wearing, or the designer of something. And if you go down, you can press that arrow button to take you back or forward. If you want something that you did before, maybe you made a mistake, you can just use that button to go back and forth. Okay, I'm gonna remove that lamp holder too. And okay, yeah, it's not there. Sorry, the lamp lights rather, it's not there anymore. And I wanted to get rid of that because it looked tacky. So yeah, see how clean it ends up. Very nice, if I must say so. It looks quite neat. No complaints actually. That small shadow that was a problem isn't so much of a problem, in fact. And you can see the previous version of whatever you did by clicking on that toggle button on top. And we're gonna go back. Yeah, so let us try to use a normal photo. That's not from the app, that's not a sample from the app. So just click on whatever picture you want to actually edit, and you can see the option here. You can try 3 days free for the pro, but you can continue on SD for absolutely nothing. Okay, so this is the picture we're trying out. Let's try to remove the tassel. Ooh, who would have thought? And then let's try to remove the class of 2017. Yeah, so that did not really come out as clean as I wanted it. Let's try to remove the flowers on our dress. Okay, yeah, that no, something is wrong with that. So you can just go to the bottom and go back, and it goes back to the original form that it was in. Let's try to remove the pattern on the red dress then. So I think that this works with particular items, but not everything. But you can play around with it. This will help with your plate number, tags and stuff like that. Okay, and you can see before and after. It looks pretty good. Click on download and you have it immediately. I think this is a really fun app, a platform to use. Let me know if you try it out. Leave a comment, like, subscribe. Bye.